Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Becasue I and I love drawing. I'm happy you're here because on this channel I want to just give you little nudges on your creative path as I am learning on mine. And well, since I love drawing, I draw a lot. I draw daily. So I have another sketchbook to show you. So let's dive into a sketchbook tour. This is a Sea White of Brighton sketchbook, size A4. And I always love it that I start with a blank cover and then throughout the weeks I will find stickers to put on it, or I decorate my sketchbook with something different if I don't get any stickers. Please do not forget to put your contact details in your sketchbook in case you lose it, which is unlikely, but I know that it happens. Then at least the person who finds your sketchbook can find you, and hopefully they are nice enough to do so. The first pages of the sketchbook are done in the new living room after moving, and also exploring the city, going to a coffee place for lunch, drawing at home. We've been home a lot because we were very tired after moving, and some days I didn't have a lot of time to draw. So for example, on this page I have a collection of things that I drew throughout the days Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and I love that. You can just do one little drawing and then still you have your daily fix of drawing, and then the next day you do another or a couple of drawings, and that way you fill your page anyway and you also tell a story about your days. I love drawing in cafes. I'm so happy with my art studio here in my new place. This is the kitchen. My husband playing the banjo. Again, the living room with familiar furniture. Look at this green view from my studio window. I'm so lucky. This one you might recognize from a Draw Tip Tuesday video. We have this reflecting round light above the table and I love drawing myself in that. Frames filled in the street, more cafe drawings. Our backyard, I never had a backyard before. Cafe drawing, more cafe drawing. And this was done during a live spark session at Sketchbook School. My husband reading the newspaper on the couch. You might recognize this one too. Here's another cafe drawing, and I had a really nice conversation afterwards with the lady that I drew sitting in the back. She told me that she was having a very deep conversation with her son, and she asked me if she could take a picture because it was such a nice memory of their moment together. This is a very messy drawing, but it was a really fun day, so I'm very okay with it. Here I filled the page partly with frames, which I really like as a design element, really. I remember how tired I was when I started this drawing, and I can really see it, but I captured the moment. It's not my favorite drawing, but it's okay. This was done during one of my monthly mini workshops on Zoom. It was a virtual sketch crawl through my new city, Amersfoort. Again, this is a combination of drawings that I did throughout the days, and it all came together at the end, which I like. It started with just one bird, and then the next day I drew my feet and I added more birds and the plants. I've been to cafes a lot with this sketchbook. I like that. Drawing while my husband is driving, drawing on Zoom while chatting. Drawing while traveling to the south of the Netherlands. Here I am in Maastricht, where I was preparing for the city drawing trip. Here I was practicing for my demos that I would be doing later on. This is my hotel room. My dad was there too as a participant, and we went out for dinner and drawing. This is at breakfast. There was a really fun exhibition with portraits from the 50s, and I spent some time drawing some of those faces, trying to give it a little bit of a comic book look. Some succeeded, some didn't that much. Dinner in a beautiful place that used to be a church. And this is fragmented drawing, starting in the morning, doing a little bit in the afternoon. Part of it is a demo and also a very cold drawing at the end of our city drawing trip. And this is on the way back. I was lucky to be traveling with my dad. We had some delays, but well, I spent the time, of course, drawing. I really enjoy flipping through other people's sketchbooks, so I really hope that this was inspiring for you too. You learn so much from each other, and that is why I love teaching group workshops. If you're interested to learn from me, then definitely check out my website, koosjekoene.com/workshops. But there's one I really want to point out because it's in November. It feels a long time from now, but it really isn't. And we're going to the Mediterranean. We're going to Malta, which is just off the coast of Italy. And it's just everything Mediterranean and dreamy that you can think of. It's kind of a little bit of a well-kept secret, and we are going to draw there. So if you are interested to draw with me in Malta, then go to studio56boutique.com and sign up. I would love to see you there. And of course, next week I'll have another Draw Tip Tuesday video here on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.